Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Becky. For those of you who are new here, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a really quick organizational tip for storing your DVDs if any of you still have DVDs or Blu-rays. This is just a really easy way to store them and keep them all together without having them everywhere. So I wanted to share with you guys how I do that. I have all of my DVDs in one little storage unit. It's quite small. As you can see, this is the size of my hand in comparison to this box. And I have had this for about, I want to say 2 or 3 years. And it has been functioning perfectly for me and my family. So I got rid of all of my DVD cases and just put the DVDs themselves inside of here. I got this at the Container Store. What I really like about this is that it's very compact, it's small, like I said. You can fit this anywhere. You can put this inside of your entertainment unit, or like I have it on top of my TV stand. I just have it sitting here next to our TV. And yes, I have a very old Dynex flat screen, and I've had it for a long time. And I really like it because it has the DVD player built into the television, and we've had this for a really long time. So what I really enjoy about this little storage unit is that it's color coded. So you can store your DVDs into different genres like drama, comedy, sci-fi, action. You can organize them however you want, and everything is already color coded for you. So like I said, you could color code your genres as the index, so you can label the index with all of the different DVDs that you have. And that's what I've done here. I just took a little fine tip Sharpie and wrote down what DVDs are inside of each little pocket. It just freed up so much space because the DVD cases themselves, although they are slim, they do take up quite a bit of space if you have a lot of them. So this particular DVD storage unit holds up to 120 DVDs, which is a lot. And I only have 71 DVDs in here. So it holds quite a bit of DVDs. So if you can imagine having 120 DVD cases, that would take up so much room. So a suggestion that I would make is to get the insert inside of the DVD case and just cut it so that it will fit inside of the little pocket. That way that if your kids are looking for a DVD, and if some of them are not strong readers, it'll be easier for them to spot what they're looking for if they can see the picture. So that's what I've done here. This is my DVD organizer. And like I said, it's super compact and everything is easy to find. Everything's color coded, so you can color code them into the different genres that you like to watch. And it's just super easy to find what you're looking for, and the DVDs are all together and they do not take up a lot of room at all inside of this tiny little storage unit. So for those of you who are old school like me and you still like to watch your DVDs. So I hope that this video was helpful for you in finding little ways to organize your DVD collections. Like I said, this has saved so much room for us in our entertainment unit, and now we have all of our DVDs in a compact little storage container. And like I said, it's super easy to find the DVDs that we need, and everything's color coded to make it easy for our family to find what we're looking for. So I hope that you guys are able to take away a little tidbit or an idea on how you can organize your DVD collection. I can't wait to see you guys on the next video, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Bye!